Good evening. A controversial Hawaii Supreme Court ruling has now caused chaos in Hawaii's criminal justice system.
And now state lawmakers appear ready to step in. KITV4's Kristen Concilio has the latest on how state officials are trying to fix the problem.
The majority of the House of Representatives have agreed to convene a special session to fix what is being described as a public safety emergency. In a letter obtained by KITV4, House Speaker Scott Saiki today urged Senate President Ron Kouchi to work together to remedy a century-old law that the state Supreme Court used in a recent ruling invalidating hundreds of serious felony cases in the islands.
The prosecutors are scrambling. The prosecutors are going to have a hard time catching up with this backlog of cases that they have. And we don't want to see some alleged felon come out and commit another crime.
Duke Aiona, the Republican candidate for governor and former prosecutor himself, held a news conference today calling on the administration to convene a special session right away to protect public safety.
But all I know is that it can be done now and it needs to be done. The people of Hawaii need to know. They need to know right now. We're good. We got confidence in our criminal justice system.
His Democratic rival in the governor's race agrees the problem is urgent, but timing is key.
We will fix it, absolutely. When the Supreme Court makes a decision, though, you don't take it lightly. If you race a bill forward, you could make a mistake and we could actually decrease people's capacity for justice. You don't just come in. This is not making pancakes, okay? You're talking about legislation that will affect our society's safety and people's lives.
The High Court recently struck down a case against Richard Obrero because he wasn't indicted by a grand jury. Obrero killed a 16-year-old in 2019 during a burglary. The state constitution was amended in 1982, allowing prosecutors to charge felony offenders through complaints and preliminary hearings. But the legislature never amended an outdated statute to conform to the Constitution.
They let the statute trump the constitutional amendment. So the fix right there is to repeal that 100-year law and allow the constitutional provision to stand alone.
Most felony cases are now required to be charged by grand jury indictment. Kouchi said today that the Senate will determine if they also have the two-thirds majority needed for a special session to resolve the issue. Kristen Concilio, KITV4, Island News.